you're watching this, then you're probably a passionate solopreneur or small business owner who's looking to get visible online, reaching more of their customers by using video. Hi, I'm Francesca and welcome. You're going to find all the resources here you need to create high quality videos quickly and easily by just using your phone. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my video content. But right now you're probably wondering, well, who is this chick who seems to think she has all the answers to my business video questions? Well, let me tell you a little bit about my story. Since the age of 14, I always wanted to be a filmmaker, so I became one. And I spent over 10 years creating a variety of videos for both clients and myself. But I didn't have a grasp on how to use video successfully in a business online until I started my own. But there was a lot I had to overcome. Fear of being on camera, yes, even if I seem comfortable now. Making videos quickly and easily because I'm a solopreneur who does everything in their business and I still have a family that I want to spend time with. And I was and still am a bit of a perfectionist, which can really stop you from completing tasks if you don't overcome it. But now, I use video to effectively reach and connect with my customers so to get them excited about creating videos that are going to reach and impact their audience. And I want to help you do the same. So I want to share my knowledge with you so you can see real success in your business with video. So what I want you to do is drop a comment down below with that biggest struggle you're having, that one question you're dying to have answered about using video in your business. And until I see you next time, thank you for watching and happy filming.